Another vegetable curry, this time beetroot. I really love this one. So what we've got here is some raw beetroot, which we've grated, just like that. You can cut it anyhow you like really, but it works better in that form. Onions, garlic, fresh chilies. Turmeric, a little bit, chili powder and a light coloured curry powder. We're not using any rampa or pandan leaves in this, but we're going to be using curry leaves. And here I've got salt, a little bit of mustard seed, and here's some fenugreek or meti, the seeds, not the flour. Of course, I have to have some coconut milk. Let's go and do it. So again, an incredibly easy curry to make. Touch of oil in there. I'm using coconut, of course. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by putting in those mustard seeds and that fenugreek, the fenugreek seeds. Just a small amount. Just let them do their thing in there. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves, sometimes a bit noisy. Then we're going to go onions, garlic, chili, in that goes. On an above medium heat, we're going to throw this around in the pan just for a minute or two. So just getting those flavours together and on their way. Simply, we're now going to add in our grated raw beetroot. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw this around in the pan just for a few seconds, so bear with me. And then what we're going to be doing is adding some spices. I'm going to get those onions, garlic and the chili happening on there. Okay, now what we're going to do, spices. So, turmeric, not too much, just a little bit. The curry powder, a bit more. Chili powder, I'm going to use about half of that. In that goes, but you can adjust that as much as you like. Okay, get this mixed in, and then what we're going to do, we're going to stir fry this now for about 3 to 4 minutes, getting those spices happening and getting our beetroot slightly tender. So there you have it, look at that, wonderful. Simply, only a couple more ingredients now. One of them, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there to taste. And then, as always in Sri Lanka, coconut milk, and this should turn a beautiful colour now, so that all goes in. It's turned a nice pink colour. And then what we're going to do now, lower the heat, and simply we're going to cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes, just to get our beetroot slightly tender and ready to eat. Give it a stir every now and then. And there we have it. Wonderful, really easy, beautiful beetroot and coconut curry. Okay, there we go. Beetroot curry, super easy, super delicious. I think it's time for a swim.